I'm here in South London where we've got a beer festival happening and a pickle festival. And all the local people have made pickles and they've come here to have it judged, and all the local people are going to judge which is the best pickle. This is a very unique festival, probably one of the few pickle festivals in the world, and it's happening here right in South London.
This is the 23rd annual Dog Bell Pickle Festival. As far as it is the only pickle festival that I've ever come across in my life, however short that is. It's certainly the only one in South East London, and it's certainly one of the longest running. It's not just pickles though, it began with pickles and we now have 8 categories. So pickles, chutneys, preserves, hot sauce, bread, cake, arts and crafts and photography. So it's much more holistic than just pickles. Welcome everybody to the 23rd annual Dog Bell Pickle Festival. I'm very pleased to announce that tasting is now open. Please take a plate and a ballot paper. Write down the numbers of what you're tasting as you go along, and then once you've come to your decision, fill out the ballot paper and bring it to the judges' table in that same room. Please form an orderly queue, it will take some time, but you've got the band here, you've got an outside bar and a fire pit.
Very tempted to just drop the guitar and go in and investigate the pickles. Can I just apologise in advance, we don't know any songs about pickles either before anyone else. This is called the Battle of Cable Street. Have I gone mad, or have we all gone back a century to the black and white days of a life elementary? It's like we're all living in an old documentary on 1934. You'd think we'd have learned from the last generation, but now they're all gone. So it's all speculation, you can rewrite the books for the good of the nation, but nobody wins the war. Rise up. Bring your flags and your banners, we'll sing and we'll march to the beat. Time for another Battle of Cable Street.
Right now there are people inside the pub who are voting away. They get to choose their favourite in each category, and then we have winners and runners-ups per category, and then an overall winner of the Pickle Festival 2019. So this is Seamus, he's the landlord here at the Dog Bell, and he's the real force behind the Pickle Festival. Can you say a little bit about the event this year, please?
Bigger than ever, better than ever. Let's keep building, and let's hope next year is just as successful.
Hey, thank you very much everybody for your patience. So the champion of the 23rd annual Dog Bell Pickle Festival for her preserve is Eva de Chema.
ship goes down.